The world of pharmaceutical manufacturing is about to get a major upgrade. We're talking about a real journey here, from the factory floor of yesterday to a super smart, data-driven operation of the future. This is the quest for what's called Pharma 4.0, and trust me, it's a big deal. So let's dive right in.
But before we even think about charting a path forward, let's just take a hard look in the mirror for a second. Think about your own operations right now. Is your factory really ready for what's coming? Or is it kind of stuck in the past? That's the big question we're going to dig into today. And really, the difference is like night and day. Over on the left, you've got the traditional plant. You know the one. Data is trapped in all these different silos, the whole process is buried under mountains of paper, and everyone's just reacting all the time, constantly putting out fires. But then, on the right, well, that's the goal, the Pharma 4.0 factory. It's totally connected, everything is driven by data, and it's predictive. It doesn't just solve problems, it actually sees them coming. So what is Pharma 4.0 exactly? Well, it's that transformation right there. It's all about building an AI-enabled digital factory where data flows freely. But, and listen, this is absolutely the most important part, it has to do all of this while staying 100% compliant with all those strict regulatory rules. That part is completely non-negotiable. Okay, so you can't start a journey without a map, right? The very first step in this whole transformation is figuring out exactly where you're standing right now. And that's where this idea of a digital maturity map comes into play.
This map basically lays out the entire path, from the very beginning to the end. Most factories are starting at stage 1, computerization, which is really just getting paper records into a computer. From there, you move to connectivity, getting your machines and systems to actually talk to each other. Visibility is next. That's when you get the dashboards to see what's happening. Then transparency helps you understand why it's happening. But the real magic, the ultimate goals, are up here at the top. Predictability, so you can forecast problems, and finally, adaptability, where the factory basically becomes a self-optimizing system.
And look, the bottom line is this. You just can't chart a course to where you're going if you don't know where you are. Finding your factory on this map, that's your non-negotiable first step. Simple as that. Okay, so you found your "you are here" dot on the map. What's next? Well, now it's time to create the itinerary. You need a real, concrete plan to move forward. And luckily, that plan has a pretty clear structure. And here is a clear 6-step plan that really works like a continuous loop. You start by assessing where you are. Then you define your vision. From there, you design the roadmap. You test it out with a small pilot project. You scale up what works. And finally, you embed those improvements deep into your company culture and daily work. And then you start the loop all over again, getting smarter with every single cycle. So to make this really practical, let's just focus on those first 2 steps because they're critical. The assess phase, that's not just about tech. It's about really understanding your processes, your data, and yeah, even your company culture. Only after you do that can you define a crystal clear vision, pick out some high-value goals, and build a business case that actually proves this is all worth it. Now, let's be real. No big journey is ever a straight, smooth road. It would be crazy to think this transformation will be perfectly easy. So let's talk about the common roadblocks, the things you'll almost certainly run into. So these are pretty much the 3 biggest hurdles you're going to face. First up, legacy systems, all that old equipment that doesn't talk to anything. Second, the culture and skills gap. People are just used to doing things the old way. And third, that huge mountain of regulatory complexity. But here's the key. For every one of these challenges, there's a solution. Instead of ripping out old systems, you can do phased retrofits and add data layers to make them smarter. You tackle the culture gap with a solid change management plan. And you align your whole strategy with industry guidance to keep the regulators happy. The big thing to remember here is don't let these scare you off. These roadblocks are a totally normal part of the journey. In fact, getting through them successfully is what makes reaching the destination feel so good. All right, so you've navigated the challenges. What's the payoff? What does the finish line actually look like? What are the real rewards waiting for you at the end of this quest for a true Pharma 4.0 smart factory? And oh man, the payoff here is huge. I mean, imagine watching your performance in real time, not waiting for a report at the end of the month. Imagine predicting exactly when a machine needs maintenance before it breaks down. Think about all that downtime you'd save. Or automating quality checks to get rid of human error. This is what leads to insane yield optimization. We're talking about getting thousands more doses from the exact same batch, which slashes waste and cost. It means fewer deviations and data integrity that is so solid that compliance audits just become routine, not something to stress about.
At the end of the day, this whole thing is about more than just shiny new tech. It's about a fundamental shift in how you think, and this quote just nails it. The goal isn't just to install some new gadgets, it's to build an entire factory that can learn, predict, and adapt, an operation that literally gets smarter every single day.
So there you have it. We've gone over the map, the plan, the roadblocks, and the incredible destination. You have the full itinerary for the journey. So the only question left is, what's your first step going to be?